How to fix Instagram not showing online on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not showing online on Android or iOS phone. First, just go to settings and go to battery, make sure power saving mode is disabled, and then go to apps and apps again, type here Instagram. Now go to data usage, make sure background data is enabled. Now let's move to the next step. Go to settings and here you will find account, here you will find privacy, click on it and now scroll down until you find activity status and enable this one here, show activity status, and that's it. Now just go back and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next video.